Hello everybody and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to to Callahan, Florida for the Callahan Cruisers America 250th car show cruising thing at Cochrane's Collision and put on by the Westside Historical Society. This is going to be our pole cam video. We had a camera set up by the drive so we could catch the people coming in to the car show. Don't know how many we caught because there were a lot of them already there when we got there, and we got there early. They must have got there at the crack of dawn. That's all I can say. Anyway, it's a great show. Cool cars, celebrating the 4th of July, the America 250th, the whole shebang. Unfortunately, we did not get to stay at the show the whole time like we would have liked. It was just too hot, miserable hot. We had been at a yard sale craft show the day before, personal event, and we were cooked. We had sweated our rear ends off the day before, and we really were quite miserable being out there in the heat again on the 4th. So we had to cut it short, unfortunately. We gutted it out as long as we could, but we still ended up leaving early. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows, as many car shows as we can, and bring the footage to you. That's really all I got. I'm going to shut up now. We're going to get you out to the car show. So, let's rev it up them hot rods!
In ours, we put a wider tire in the back.
Yeah, but then we use this seat something.
Actually, as I was working on it and taking it out, the suspension was so on that
It's coming back next week, Dan, so I think maybe it's next week. I thought it was just coming back.
I'll make it.
that money back. We're like, somebody got it. People, we love our car community and love the people that are in the car scene. We try to be the good guys, try to be nice. Sometimes nice don't pay. The Concords do have a tow truck, and they will put your car behind that fence if you don't pay your registration. I got to go. Anyway, if y'all want to pay me off for judging, I wish. I can help.
We run down to see.
It just got released. There's a new album coming out. That's Waylon Jennings' newest song, Diamonds. And I think he recorded it in the 70s. And it's just now getting Waylon Jennings is one of my grandma's favorite singers. Some of the stuff he sung about. I don't think my grandma, she was an old Pentecostal woman. I don't think she really understood what he was singing about in a lot of the songs. I think she just liked the melody. Kind of like the John Anderson song. Like, as far as like, like this song here by John Anderson. I don't know if it's the cheatings he likes or the melody. I think my grandma just liked the melody. But here's a little John Anderson for you. She just started liking cheating songs.
Whoops.
All right, good morning, everybody. We are at Cochran's Collision in Callahan, where we're having our America 250th anniversary car show, and we're going to show you what's here. We're super early in the show. The show hasn't officially started yet, but we're going to show you what's already here, and then we'll do another one later and show you the rest of the show. So, stay tuned. We're going to take you. I haven't adjusted my camera. There we go. There we go. All right, let's go see what's out here. Got us some Mopars, got us some Corvettes, got us a Dixie Pontiac. Ooh, I like that Galaxy 500. 65, that's different. Nice old Cutlass. We still got plenty of space to put in some more cars.
Come on.
But yeah, we got some real nice looking cars out here today. Gotta love that Chevelle, man. That thing's cool.
Morning.
Morning. Man, I really like that laid out low around C10 right there. I love the graphics, the paintwork on it. It is beautiful. That's a nice looking Bonneville there. F85 package. Haven't seen that before. At least at one of our shows anyway.
Last year we had probably about 100.
Alright, that's going to wrap up our first live stream. We'll do another one later where you can see what shows up. And we'll see you then.
I think we should have parked at the other end.
Alright guys, we're back for part 2 of our live stream. Going to show you what has arrived since the first time. We've had a few cars show up. Not many. The car show is in full swing now. We are good and going. The heat is just oppressive out here today. Ooh, like that one by Kimber One. So we're not going to stick around the whole time. In fact, we are already planning our exit. But I wanted to show you what had showed up since I did the first live stream. Alright, there we go, back again. Not sure why it dropped out on me there, but it did. So, anyway, wasn't much to see where it dropped out.
That guy's like me. He'll preach you 70 ways you're bound to like one of them. Love that. He said juice it up with some tiger's blood, hit it up with some other funky flavors they got. You'll be ready to rock and roll. You can get patriotic on them. You do red, white, and blue. I'll tell you down. $10. $10. You got kids, you want them to get some energy out? Man, we got goat, chickens, and all kinds of stuff. Callahan, you know we got to go.
Oh, it is so hot out here.
You see all that?
Alright, that's it. Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the America 250th Callahan Cruisers Car Show at Cochran's Collision in Callahan, put on by the West Nassau Historical Society. It was a great show. Cool cars came out. Unfortunately, it was just hot. Just plain old hot. I mean, it's July, it's Florida. You know, it's going to be hot. But I think it's been a little bit hotter this year than it has been in the past couple of years. So that made it extra miserable. No clouds, nothing, just no breeze, no nothing. So we left early, unfortunately. We just could not take the heat. I think a lot of people had that problem. They just could not stand the heat. It was just unreal heat. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. We are at 367 subscribers. We're inching our way up, getting there week by week, slowly crawling our way to monetization on YouTube. I appreciate all you guys doing that for me. But make sure you share it around, tell your other car people about it, and say, hey, this guy goes out to the car shows, he takes video, you know, check him out. So, anyway, that's it for this video. We'll see you guys at the car show, whatever and wherever we may be.